All right. Meanwhile, India has condemned U.S. remarks on Arvind Kejriwal's arrest. India says, expect U.S. to be respectful of India's sovereignty. It's an internal matter. Do not appreciate comments on it. U.S. on Kejriwal. U.S. it said, fair and transparent trial needed into Arvind Kejriwal's arrest and the case. While India hits back, summons the U.S. acting envoy and says that India would expect United States to respect India's sovereignty. Remember, earlier Germany too had commented on Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, to which India took serious objection to, saying it's an internal matter. Now United States asking for fair and transparent trial into Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, to which India has responded, hitting back, summoning the US envoy, and says India expects the United States to respect India's sovereignty. Second diplomatic offensive there after slamming Germany. In fact, India strongly objects to the remarks of the United States Department spokesperson that was made on 27th of March 2024. India says we take strong objection to remarks of the spokesperson of the US State Department about certain legal proceedings in India. In diplomacy, states are expected to be respectful of the sovereignty and internal affairs of others. This responsibility is even more so in case of fellow democracies. It could otherwise end up setting unhealthy precedents. India's legal processes are based on independent judiciary, which is committed to objective and timely outcomes. Casting aspersions on that is unwarranted. Geeta Mohan joining us live from the newsroom. Geeta, United States has been pulled up, at least the envoy has been summoned as India pledges its protest and objection to US's comments on Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, saying casting aspersions and doubts on India's legal proceedings and a case of this nature is truly unwarranted.
Well, absolutely. After Germany, we're looking at yet another summon of the acting Deputy Chief of Mission of the United States of America to India, Gloria Babina. There was a 40-minute long conversation that took place at the Ministry of External Affairs in at the South Bloc, where India has not only lodged its protest, but reminded the United States of America that fellow democracies should be wary of the kind of statements that have come out from Washington, D.C., that India's sovereignty has to be respected. Also, the fact that this could really set a wrong precedent, and reiterating what India has been saying to all other countries, particularly those that have questioned Arvind Kejriwal's arrest and the judicial process, that India's judiciary is fair, transparent and independent, and therefore questioning the process is unbecoming of any country. So a very strong protest lodged against the statements that were made by a spokesperson at the US State Department, and this comes only a couple of days after we had the same situation with the German Foreign Ministry, where the German Foreign Ministry spokesperson had also weighed in on Kejriwal arrest.
All right, thanks very much, Geeta, for joining us on that. Right after Germany commenting on Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, United States almost reiterating on similar lines, saying that it hopes that this is a fair and transparent trial for Arvind Kejriwal, to which India says, do respect our sovereignty, do not cast aspersions on India's legal process.